Hey there, garden lovers! Today, let's dive into the top 15 roses that are perfect for your southern garden. First up, climbing roses. These beauties, like ladybanks and Don Juan, thrive in zones 5 to 10. Train and prune them in the second or third spring for the best blooms. Next, floribunda roses. With clusters of blooms and low-maintenance, varieties like Julia Child are a fantastic addition. David Austin roses, also known as English roses, combine the best of old and modern roses. Fragrant and shrubby, they're perfect as climbers or hedges in zones 10 to 11. For those tall, elegant borders, grandiflora roses are your go-to. The Queen Elizabeth variety is a classic. Hybrid tea roses offer that timeless single rose per stem look. Double Delight and a Mr. Lincoln are two popular choices. Remember to deadhead them to encourage more blooms. Ground cover or landscape roses like flower carpet are ideal for beginners, and tough spots like slopes. They're low-growing and thornless. Centifolia roses, known for their dense, fragrant petals, bloom in early summer. These are the roses grown for perfume. Damask roses, an old hybrid from the 1600s, come in summer and autumn varieties. They're thorny and can grow up to 7 feet tall. Noisette roses are climbing, fragrant and heavy bloomers. Blush noisette and Madame Alfred Carrière are popular picks. Polyantha roses are compact and hardy, making them great for containers. Cecile Brunner is a favorite. Bourbon roses are large and thornless, blooming from late spring to fall. They can also be trained as climbers. Gallica roses are known for their large, fragrant petals. Charles de Mills offers striking purple-red double flowers. Alba roses, also known as White Rose of York, are upright shrubs with white to blush blooms. They're disease-resistant and low-maintenance. Drift-registered trademark roses are low-maintenance, disease-resistant, and offer continuous blooms. They're perfect for ground cover. Finally, miniature roses, which are like tiny hybrid teas, are perfect for containers. Diamond Eyes is hardy in zones 4 to 10. Remember, proper watering and planting are key. Water your roses regularly until they're established, and plant them after the last frost. Happy gardening, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.